in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine.
Welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well. We have a Volkswagen 2006, I believe, or 2008. As you can see, it's not in the best shape. There's scuff marks here. There's a dent over here. There's a little bit of rust happening over here. On the rear quarter here, we have some more scratches and more dents. Now, I'm gonna try fixing all this. To be honest, I'm not the best person when it comes to body work, but I know I can do a job that'll look much better than how it is right now. So I'd rather do that than have this. So we're gonna start off by sanding this little rusty spot over here. We want to take off all the rust, and then I'll prime it and paint it. Hopefully it's not deep enough, but I'm gonna just sand it down all the way until I see no more rust. If it's all the way to the metal, then I'm not gonna bother too much. Again, I'm just trying to make it look pretty for how it is. At the front here, I'm gonna try hitting it from the backs, take it out a little bit. Over here is the same idea, as well as the bumper over here. I'm just gonna scratch it a little bit off with some sandpaper, just to smoothen out the area, and then I'll paint over it. Again, I'm not the best person when it comes to body work, but I could do something that will look better, at least, than how it is right now. So it's gonna be a time lapse, as there isn't much to talk really. All I have to do is sand, 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 and then hit that part, and then keep sanding more, and then just prime and paint it. I hope you guys will enjoy the time lapse. can see here, it's looking much better than how it was in the beginning. We had all the rust down here. There's just a little bit of dirt now, but the rust is gone, at least for now. And same thing over here. I tried taking out the dent as much as I could, and that's the best I can do, to be honest. So it's better than nothing. So we're gonna replace this coolant temperature sensor. Seems like the car is throwing the code saying coolant system malfunction, and apparently it's very common on these Volkswagens to have the sensors going bad. So the sensor is located right here. Just pull out the C-clamp over here and it should come off. There it is. That's a C-clamp, and then you pull the sensor out. A little coolant gonna come out, but that's fine. And we're gonna unplug the old one. So there we have it. That's the old sensor, and we're gonna put the new sensor in. Now I don't see an O-ring for the old sensor, unless if it flew out with the coolant. Oh, there it is. So make sure you replace the O-ring as well. That we're gonna plug it in. It's in, and we're gonna go straight inside. And put back the C-clamp. And there we have it. It's replaced. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. The issue that you have with the malfunction coolant that throws a check engine light, and apparently this is the culprit. So replace this and you'll be good to go. Now in most cases it's only the sensor, but in some cases it's the sensor and the thermostat, but I'm going to replace the sensor only. I'm thinking it's a sensor. If this doesn't do it, I'm going to replace the thermostat, but most likely it's just the sensor. So if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber by now, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.